Ready, Buggy? Do a pretend sneeze.
Can you do it? Can you do a sneeze? Again?
Sneeze?
We'll show you the camera after. Can you do a sneeze? Again? Judy, can you do it again?
Okay.
All right. Thank you for making Tessa laugh, Judy.
That's pretty good, Buggy. Yeah, you know, when we say to blow your nose, that's what you should do too.
Is that funny, Tessa?
Wait, wait, wait. Go over and give Tessa a little hug.
Do you want to do another sneeze, Judy?
The cheek, sad cheek. This is a baby.
She's a baby.
I know a baby.
You're not a baby anymore.
I person jump. A person jump on the booba.
You're a person who jumps on the blue bed. Can you do another sneeze for Tessa?
Cheeky.
Tessa's cheek.
Cheek.
Gently. Gently.
Nose, mouth, eyes, hair.
Good job.
Good thing, Buggy.
The dog.
Do you have another sneeze, Junie?
I was razor. I was razors, Mama.
I don't know if Tessa can be without you. She's having so much fun with you. Tessa, can you blow a kiss? Can you blow a kiss?
I was razors. I was razors.
You're a giggly. You're in a giggly mood, Tessa. You want a drink? All right, we'll get you a drink.